Hello! To effectively use Houdini, we must grasp these very important concepts. First, we have a node. Houdini is node-centric. Everything we do here is fundamentally a node or a network. For example, 3D geometry or a camera is a node. Also, as you can see here, render setting is also a node in Houdini. Another core concept are attributes. Basically, in Houdini, we store information on points and primitive, and we call that an attribute. For example, the color information here is stored as a CD attribute on this box. Another example, as you can see here, the normal information are stored as an attribute, and viewing the attribute in the geometry spreadsheet help us view their values. Now the third concept are parameters. Every node or network has its own interface, and we call that parameter interface. And we use the parameter to control and manipulate the node. In this instance, we have a sphere node, and we can control the frequency from the frequency slider. Now in Houdini we create our own custom parameter so we can have control over the system we create, whether it's a system generating infinite amount of grass or a smoke simulation. So at the end, those three concepts come together, interconnecting and creating a procedural system in Houdini that form the foundation of anything you want to do in this application.